Monday, January 23rd, 2023, about 6:15 in the afternoon. And while the van is in the shop getting its engine, transmission, radiator, heater core swapped out, and having an external trans cooler and trailer hitch installed, along with new vacuum lines in the engine compartment, we will be sleeping in the Jeep. So here's our little arrangement. We've got a 12-volt solar battery over there. We've got a little 110 heater. That solar battery will run 6 110 circuits. It is a EcoFlow, I think 3300, 3600. It's also got 12 volt and USB. We have this 12 volt blanket. The only thing I'll be using the battery for is this 12 volt blanket. And from a full charge, I can get 3 nights full use with this 12 volt blanket, and it keeps you warm. And I can stretch out completely. It's about 74 inches diagonal across here, so I'll be sleeping in there while the van is getting worked on. And then we will do a test drive of it and go from there. But the shop said that we could also video the process. So when they get it in the stall, I will go in and get probably 3 different videos while they're working on it, maybe 4 separate videos, and upload them. But then I will probably put all of those together into one video. And then, like I say, we'll have a test drive, see how it does, see what type of break-in period, if there is one on the engine, and then maybe take a 2 or 3 day road trip, see how it does. If everything works out good, we may light out for, I don't know where, maybe Florida, for spend the rest of the winter in Florida. I'd like to go to the Everglades, come back up the West Coast, maybe some of Central Florida, just do a little exploring, get to 5 fish, get the ocean drone in the water. It'll go 300 feet deep. And also use the Phantom 4 Pro, use both drones, gets video of our travels, and have a lot of variety, a lot of new variety for the videos. So let me download this, edit it, upload it, and post it.